Welcome back to Smart Simple Savings. Today we're going to talk about the number one problem that Kroger has with their new Boost program, the home delivery of groceries, the experience I've had with it, and how one small thing will fix all their problems. It's been about 3 months since my last video on Kroger Boost. It's done really well, and 4 months since we signed up, and we use it about on a weekly basis. And this program of home grocery delivery is a great program that will work great for a lot of people, and we love it. Except there is one glaring problem that causes frustrations with every single order. So let's walk through some of the issues that we've had. We have constant order mishaps. Either there are items just missing from our order, we have items that are added to our order that we didn't order, and there's also substitutions that make no sense. So we'll have missing items that I know the store is not out of, that probably just got put in someone else's order, because we've had things added in our order where I've had K-cups added where I didn't even order coffee. We've had protein shakes just show up that we didn't pay for and that we didn't order. And we've had random substitutions. So we ordered grapes for our kids' snacks, and instead of grapes, they substituted us for one lemon. How do I serve a lemon to my kids for their snacks? That doesn't make any sense. We've had peas substituted for green beans. And if you're baking a dish like green bean casserole, peas are useless. And so we've had constant issues where things like that have happened. We ordered one onion and we got two. So time after time, I can't think of a single order where they got perfectly right. If you watch my first video, our very first order with Kroger Boost just never showed up because our delivery driver got in a wreck and we were never notified. We spent a weekend with some friends and ordered Kroger Boost, and we got someone's completely different order. The guy shows up, and we told him that's not what we ordered, and he said, well, just keep it. I already gave your order to somebody else, and he just left. So we got a completely different person's order. And so we had to completely change our dinner plans for the night because we didn't get our food. And we've had a few instances recently, and one bad one where we ordered later in the afternoon, and it said our groceries are going to be delivered by 8 o'clock that night. It was after 11:30 p.m. when our groceries were delivered, and we have 3 small kids, and they're knocking on the door and ringing the doorbell to deliver our groceries. That's a problem that they need to fix. Now, I think all of those issues can be solved with one answer, and their problem is Instacart, because I haven't had any of these problems having Kroger pick up at the store where Kroger employees are shopping and picking my items. And so if Kroger would get rid of Instacart and having Instacart shoppers try to go in and pull multiple orders at one time in just a basic shopping cart, and so they're always getting things mixed up, they don't care about your substitutions. They're going to go whatever fastest for them. Because we've had times where we've been texted about a substitution and we can respond immediately and it will say that they've already checked out. And this is all an Instacart issue. And in my comments of my last video, it's clear that the people that have Kroger employees picking and delivering their groceries love the program and have no complaints. And it's very obvious all of the complaints I just had, I saw multiple comments of people having the same issue, and those people are in areas where Instacart is the primary delivery. So Kroger, if you're listening, you've got to dump Instacart. You need to quickly get your people picking the orders at least, and your people delivering in your trucks. Because orders that are 4 and 5 hours late, if we have frozen food ordered, that's a problem. And Instacart, if you're watching, you've got to get something in place, because if I had Instacart Plus, I would drop it. Because it is not worth the hassle and the frustration of every single order being wrong, of primary things missing. If I'm trying to order for a meal and 3 of those things are missing or substituted for something random, it's just not worth my time, because now I've got to go to the store anyway. And so it's not worth the hassle and frustration. So they need to figure out how to fix that. That's on them. Kroger, just drop Instacart. I also went online and just searched for Instacart reviews to see what else the rest of the country was seeing. I saw one site that had over 7,000 reviews, and the Instacart rating was 1.3 stars out of 5. 86% of the reviews were 1 star out of 5. So that tells me this is a nationwide problem for Instacart. So guys, let me know in the comments if you use Kroger Boost, if you're in an area where actual Kroger employees do deliver your food. Let me know if you have any of these issues and then what your experience is overall. And if you have a problem with Instacart, if they're delivering your Kroger groceries, make sure you message Kroger. I have done it twice and let them know my issues and frustrations. And the more people that can do that, we will get this fixed. Hopefully we'll see some improvements with the new Kroger Boost program. We love it. There's just a lot of issues that they've got to get worked out, and I think Instacart is the number one problem. Hope you guys enjoy this video and continue to be smart, simple savers. See you on the next one.